What size are those wheels?
43 inches wide.
This is a 2006 Porsche Cayman. But now it has been widened and it looks like a beast. This car came to us with obviously stock body. It had some other aftermarket wheels on it. Customer wanted this Rocket Bunny wide body kit, which closely resembles to Liberty Walk. Same idea. It's wrapped completely in satin black, so this is not paint, this is wrap job. These wheels are super aggressive. We have a big step lip on the front. As you can see, most cars in the back of them don't even get that lip. And then the back wheel has a crazy lip. It's about 8 inches, looks insane. This has a crazy stance. It is not on air suspension. Most of these cars, these wide bodies, they always have air ride. And I'm a big disbeliever of air ride. Back in the day, we did the first Liberty Walk Huracan that we took to SEMA. We did air ride on that, and it was absolutely terrible. It ruined the whole car. We took it off. Ever since then, we frown upon air suspensions on the exotic cars. So this is a static suspension. My one finger barely fits in there, and the back is almost tucked. It doesn't even rub, it's crazy. On full turn, you get a little bit inside. That's just being realistic because of this super aggressive stance. These are Michelin tires. They're not no-name small tires or anything like that. So the wheel and tire setup, the stance is really what makes this thing. When you see it from the back of it and you see that tire protruding, it looks insane. And it's like a small car, but it's so wide that it just looks like a little spaceship. So we're really excited to show you guys this Porsche Cayman. I know we do a lot of Rolls Royces, Lamborghinis, whatever, and it's really refreshing to show you guys such a cool little project that's older, but the customer loves it and he's super excited. He's acting like he's doing something right now. It's all fake.
How is he gonna read code?
And that one's still playing with the roof molding. It's still fucking playing with the roof molding.
Too many problems. Now, yeah. First, that one is not a problem. I got fired, but
You got fired?
yeah, this morning.
Really?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Welcome back.
Here we got a beautiful SVJ. This is not the original color. It's black underneath. This vehicle needed some modules replaced by the dealer, and unfortunately the dealer had this car for about 6 months. They parked it, I guess, somewhere that's outside, and they didn't move it pretty much for almost 6 months. And this is not like an old wrap. It was wrapped right before it went to the dealer. We don't see this that much, but if your car is left outside and it doesn't move whatsoever, and the sun constantly every day just does the same cycle on it, this is what ends up happening.
Plus the dirt.
Plus dirt, so it collected dust, and then that dust burnt onto the wrap
There was
as well.
rain, so.
Correct, rained on it, and then whenever there's dust on a car and it rains on it, it leaves all kinds of stuff on it, and that's where you see all these little dots.
I think if you
those
do
are
it
all
on a normal car, it will happen same thing. 6 months.
paint,
if you
regular
park it,
paint, probably,
it
yeah.
will.
Yeah,
If you
it's
don't wash
possible.
it, dirt plus sun.
Because we get a lot of sun here in LA. So the dealership doesn't want to take responsibility. So the customer is trying to figure out what to do. What we found interesting was, look at the rear bonnet. The bonnet is not burned, and it looks pretty good still. And that's because this is made out of carbon fiber, and this is not. So we're thinking because of that fact, it didn't burn, because of the properties of the carbon fiber didn't let it get so hot. I don't know, but that's not burned. But all the panels around it are. So pretty interesting seeing that. This is a gorgeous car. We're gonna bring it back to life. It has a Novatec kit on there. It has beautiful wheels on there. It's lowered, it's loud. If the paint's damaged as well, I mean, it makes it a bigger story.
Yeah, but
and it could be
They kept
possible.
the car for 6 months. At least like cover it with somehow.
Maybe
Like,
they didn't know it was a wrap.
doesn't matter, bro. We get a car if it's more than like a, you know, if
Well,
you
actually, the
can get
dealership
car-
offered him a detail. He brought it home. He had his own detailer try to actually take it off, but you can't take this off.
Yeah.
No detailer in the world can take this off because this is vinyl that's already burned. So you can't do anything about that. Shouldn't be that big of a deal once you take the wrap off. So we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna bring this bad boy back to life. And
What color?
Well, it's black underneath, but we might make it wrap red again. This customer has the 812 Ferrari that he's sending us to wrap it in the same red. So he was planning on keeping them both red. And then when he got this car back from the dealer, saw all this. So let's see what's gonna happen.
This is gonna be interesting.
Nah, it's gonna be interesting.
This is a sticker. This is not the real one. The real one is on the. There's another one. It's bad. Lamborghini should.
SV.
Yeah. Lamborghini should fix this problem. 6 months?
Why don't you put it right there? Why don't you throw it away?
Huh?
Why
No.
don't you throw it
So
away? It's gonna fall on the floor when they drive the car.
yeah, they make sure they see it.
This is a custom client spec, black with that brown interior. It even has a brown pinstripe. Beautiful, beautiful spec. Comes with 23s, as you can see. So this customer more than likely is going to leave it like this and do some paint protection, maybe lower it, stuff like that. So he came by to talk about some options. But yeah, literally this is the third Spectre we've had come through the shop in 1 week. And we have more incoming. Whoever drives it is super in love with it. So more to come.
Calm the fuck down, man. You and money. This guy's fucking weird.
Why?
He's strange.
No, he's not.
He left his job to come here and ask for money.
Yeah.
Calm the fuck
The guy works hard for his money.
You shut the fuck up, fat ass.
Why, you don't want money? Okay, we'll get his paycheck. He doesn't care about money. Because there's 3 houses, that's why.
What happened to your sleeves? You look like a nurse with the scrubs.
How about fuck all of you at the same time? This guy just has the best life. He comes, he eats for free, leaves, he comes back.
Charges an outrageous fee for a car wash.
Yeah, $45 plus tax.
Give him $200 to just move a few tires from there.
Just to do what?
That's pretty good, huh? Yeah. Good? He's smart. He got it. That's it.
We are back with another Cullinan. This is actually a brand spanking new Cullinan. This car came bone stock, so it had significant amount of chrome. As you could imagine, the whole grille was chrome, the spirit was chrome moldings down here, chrome throughout the vehicle, door handles, window moldings, door moldings. Also the bottom of the bumper, the sides and the back, black plastic. This customer really hates that plastic look and he hates chrome. So we took everything off, we prepped it, and we painted it to the body color, which the body color is actually like a metallic black. A lot of people don't know. If you want a solid black, no metallic, that's like an option. We paint matched all of it to the body color. So when you go close up on the grille, it is metallic black, not just regular black. This customer didn't want to wrap all this. Normally, we are used to wrapping all the trims black, but this one, zero wrap, all paint because he wants it to last, look perfect, look like it came from Rolls Royce. The only thing we did not black out is the slats in the middle because we wanted to leave that chrome and black look. That adds a really, really nice detail to it. Honestly, when you black that out too, it just becomes a black blob. There's the Rolls Royce Cullinan coincidentally behind me that came in for a service, and that's all black. But this looks really nice. And then we topped it off with 26-inch wheels, as you could see. These are big wheels. We do 26s quite often, but 24s usually. But these are 26s, and no rubbing, looks great. As you can see, the wheels are brushed silver, not black, which you're also used to because usually you do full blackout, you do black wheels. Factory center caps in the middle, metal plate over there to match the brushed, so it looks great. Again, all the emblems are painted black too. The back end is really, really gorgeous on this car because everything is just shiny metallic black. So there you have it, another Cullinan completed by RDB. This lovely Porsche that we just completed, the customer came, picked it up, he was in love with the car, went down the street, and I guess he tried to avoid some street debris or something, we don't know the full story, and he swerved and he broke his front bumper, and he drove right back to the shop. Literally, he drove it for less than a mile, and now this bumper is broken, and behind this bumper is actually one of the coolers that burst, and coolant was coming out of it. Some pretty significant damage. So we're gonna have to fix his bumper, get a new radiator for the front, fix it all up, wrap it again, and put it back. It's not the lowest car ever. I mean, it's pretty, my foot fits in there. We've done a lot of cars that you can't even put your foot, like this Mclaren is, I mean, this McLaren's lower than that. So it just sheer luck, I guess, it happened. So it's all good. That's what we do here. We fix cars, and we're gonna fix this and get it back to him.
Does anybody know what makes a food organic?
Everything is natural, natural water, natural everything.
I think organic is.
There's artificial water?
Yes, from the ocean.
Okay, I'm done.
Fuck.
All right.
No, bro, you
This
guys.
is my last episode.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.